Yung paten.
Ako ang brother-in-law ni Selly. Asawa ko ay si Lucy, yung brother niya. Oh. So I wish Selly here much blessings from God. She must have more birthdays to come,
Thank you, Father.
more better health,
Thank you.
and then she will always welcome us when we need our help. Thank you very much.
Thank you. This is also, let's greet happy birthday also to Lucy. She will be celebrating her birthday on August 9. Since we are gathered here all together, brothers, sisters,
And also Danny.
Danny.
Birthday, August 8.
Yeah, Danny, August 8. So, celebration na rin
August
natin ito.
31.
We greet Lucy, advance happy birthday. Mami, happy birthday to you.
You are now 59 years old.
Lucy, you're now 59. I'm 60.
I'm
Ito kami
63.
ngayon. Ed here is 63. Wish you good health also.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
August 9 naman siya. Si Danny is August 8. 15 na. No, 16.
Thank you po, Tito Ed.